It's easy to talk about conservation, but it's harder to understand it until you're in the heat and the dust and feel the wild of the bush. Because we've all heard the stories, watched the documentaries, shared the headlines, but until your boots hit the red dirt, until the sounds of the wild replace your morning noise, you won't understand what conservation really means. Because it isn't clean, it isn't quiet, and it doesn't happen from the comfort of a screen. This is the SFW Conservation Experience, where you embark on a 10-day journey into the heart of real conservation work. You walk beside rangers who combat organized poaching and local corruption. You ride with veterinarians who are providing care to working dogs and donkeys in rural villages. And you watch a child light up when their dog is cared for the very first time. Each day, you'll be guided by professionals, learning what it takes to protect wildlife, support communities, and keep ecosystems alive. This isn't a safari. It's a hands-on, eye-open education. And every organization you work with receives direct support. Your presence funds the future of conservation. In your time here, you'll take to the skies with bush pilots patrolling reserves from above. You'll learn that conservation isn't about saving animals from a distance. It's about showing up. You see the scars left by snares and feel the urgency in a ranger's voice. It's about understanding how people and wildlife depend on each other. This experience challenges you to listen, to learn, and to contribute, not with your voice, but with your time, your hands, and your heart. When it comes to conservation, real understanding begins when you step into it, when you get your hands dirty. This isn't tourism, it's a transformation. You'll come for the animals, but you'll stay because it changes how you see everything. At SFW, we've created a model that empowers you. It challenges you to see the wild and your role in it with new eyes. Join us on the adventure of a lifetime. Because one day you're walking ancient animal trails, the next you're learning from veterinarians, treating local livestock and companion animals, seeing how healthier animals help healthier communities. You'll study ecology, not from a textbook, but with your boots in the sand. You'll see how climate, land use, human needs, and animal behavior all intersect. You'll train in modern tools of the trade, like telemetry, drone recon, and species ID. You'll hear firsthand what it means to track, not just animals, but threats. You'll learn that conservation is not a moment, it's a movement. Movements are built by people like you. Because when you give your time, your presence, and your willingness to work, every second here ripples outward. So if you ever wanted to do more than care, if you ever wanted to act, this is your invitation. Join us and let the wild change you.